On today's episode of Fix It Your Motherfucking Self, we got the Ram here again. Unfortunately, I came out today to get ready to drive my truck, and this bitch had a flat. Let me show y'all what I found when I took off the lug nuts in the tire here. Oh, by the way, in case you need to know, it's a 22 millimeter socket for take out the lug nuts. But apparently, this nail, which I got most of it out, was stuck in my damn tire. I'm gonna show y'all how to plug this motherfucker, so you ain't gotta go out and go buy a brand new one. Well, you gouge the hole out so you can make it a little bigger. So this is just the extra kit I got around here. Put one of them little plugs in there. Plug the bitch up. Then you get you some old soapy water here. See how it's bubbling up? Let you know where the hole is. So when you use this tool here, you put the plug in between here, put it on in there. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Now that we got the plug in place, we're gonna pull this old gouger out. You hear all that air coming out of that motherfucker. Then we're gonna put this in place of it. You know, times like this, I wish I had a cameraman. Cause this is not easy to do with one hand. But we'll holler back y'all in a minute. Y'all get the general idea. As y'all can see, we got the plug in place. Now we're gonna spread with a little water. See if any bubbles like you saw before. As you see, there's no bubbles. So therefore, now, get the old valve stemmer, my little air pump here, and pump this bitch the fuck up. I'll have to be back in a minute. Well, that concludes this video of Fix It Your Motherfucking Self. Tires plugged. Now we can roll on like we was going to do earlier today for this mishap. We'll holler at y'all next time.